Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy Chit Chat with Ratan. I hope you all are doing well. Today in this video, I am going to share with you one of my favorite weight loss recipe which you can either try in breakfast time or you can have it in your lunch time. So without any further delay, let's check out the ingredients. So ingredients are 1 big bowl of full makhana. We also called it fox nuts in English. Then we have a small bowl of peanuts, we can also call it as groundnut or moongfali in Hindi. Then I have taken a small half bowl of boiled black chana, black chickpeas, 1 small cucumber which is cut into small pieces. Then for taste and flavor, I have taken some roasted cumin seeds. We have pink salt here which is healthier option than white salt or normal salt. Then I have taken here a red chili powder. Now here I have taken some chaat masala which you can easily get it from Indian grocery store. And here is bunch of coriander leaves which I have finely chopped. And the next ingredient is Greek yogurt. So I have opted for a Greek yogurt because that is more healthier option than normal plain yogurt. And the last ingredient is I have taken a small red onion and I have chopped it into small pieces. Now we are going to roast full makhanas or fox nuts into this pan. Just make sure that you keep your flame on low because we don't want that makhana to get burned. So I am going to put it on low flame. Also, because this is a healthy recipe, we want to eat it in a healthy way and want our weight loss. So we just need to make sure that we don't put any oil while roasting. So this is a zero oil recipe. We don't need any oil to roast these makhanas. So now we are roasting these makhanas till it reach golden brown color on slow flame. Just keep stirring in between. So looks like our makhanas or fox nuts are roasted now. I'm going to turn off the flame. So now I'm going to roast peanuts. So peanuts normally takes a bit more longer time to roast. We just need to make sure that we have kept the flame on medium flame for peanuts. And I think it will take approximately 4 to 5 minutes to roast them well. So don't rush when you roast peanut. Just keep a flame on medium and roast them well. So we have to keep stirring our peanuts. As I have told you earlier that this is a zero oil recipe. So there is no oil I have added in here. So now our peanuts are done. They are roasted well. So I have turned off the flame. I'm just putting it in separate plate so that it can cool down, and later on we will start preparing the recipe. Let's start preparing this recipe. Now we are going to mix all the ingredient together to make this weight loss healthy lunch recipe. So now I am going to add Greek yogurt which I have taken earlier. Now we will add 1 small red onion which is finely chopped. We are going to add cubes of cucumber which I have earlier taken. So this is 1 whole cucumber finely chopped. Now we are going to add, I have earlier taken last night and soaked black chickpeas overnight for approximately 8 to 10 hours. And in the morning before cooking this recipe, I have boiled them and whistled them for approximately 6 whistles. Once they are properly boiled, you can keep them separate to cool down. And now it's boiled black chickpeas. These are easily available in Indian grocery store. I'm going to add them. So let's mix them. Now I'm going to add earlier roasted full makhana or fox nuts into this mixture. Mix them well. Now we are going to add salt as per our taste and flavor. So I'm just going to sprinkle some salt over it. I have taken pink salt. Now I am going to add roasted peanuts into it for this peanut, just to give a more crunch in this recipe. Now I am going to add small half tablespoon of chaat masala. Add roasted cumin seed just to give it a flavor and more texture like a chaat. Add or sprinkle roasted cumin seed on this mixture. Now we can add some chili powder for more flavor into this recipe. I'm not adding green chili, but if you like, you can also add a flavor on indigrain you would like to add in this recipe. Garnish it with coriander leaves, finely chopped coriander leaves. And now I'm going to mix them well. Cucumber in this recipes are totally optional. If you don't like cucumber, you don't add them. But I love cucumber with yogurt, so I have added cucumber in this recipe. So now we are going to give it a final mix. Again at the top I'm going to put some roasted cumin seed and I'm crushing over this recipe. Now finally, again to garnish, I am just adding some more coriander leaves. These are optional how much you like to add, but I just wanted to garnish it a bit more so that they look more good as well. I'm going to put it in a separate serving bowl now, and this is ready to be served. Looks so tempting to me. I cannot wait myself to taste it, and I would like to taste it for you. I hope you will love this recipe. Please do try for your family, kids and friends, because this recipe is going to give you lots of flavor of chaat, as well as you will lose the weight when you try this recipe. Let's try it. You know what? This is a ultimate chaat or weight loss recipe. I have tried it. This is super delicious. You are going to love it. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm sure you are going to love this recipe and your friends and family will definitely love this recipe. I feel this is best weight loss recipe to try. So please do try and pour your suggestion, comment, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will keep bringing more health tips, beauty tips, weight loss tip and such a delicious healthy recipe in my future video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye.